Hello kids, welcome to my channel Joyful Juniors. Today we are going to learn alphabet N. Alphabet N phonics sounds and words. So let's get into the video. The alphabet N. N for nest, N for nurse, N for nib, N for net, N for nose, N for napkin, N for nail, N for nut, N for needle, N for newspaper, N for noodles, N for necklace, N for notebook, N for nail. So, these are the phonic words of N. Using these words, let's learn the rhyme.
C-C-G-G-A-G. In the nest, the baby birds sing. F-F-E-E-D-D-C. A nurse cares with everything. A nib of a pen writes on a pad. Egg catches fish, making us glad. A little nose smells the flowers in bloom. A napkin wipes hands after lunch in the room. With a nail and hammer, build something new. Oh, a nut cracks open, a tasty snack for you. Oh, you, oh. A needle threads through fabric fine. A newspaper reads the stories in line. Slurping noodles in a bowl so neat. A shiny necklace is quite a treat. A notebook to jot down all we feel. Using a nail again, we work with zeal. Nib of a pen writes on a pad. A net catches fish, making us glad. A little nose smells the flowers in bloom. A napkin wipes hands after lunch in the room. With a nail and hammer, build something new. Oh, a nut cracks open, a tasty snack for you. Oh, you, oh. Needle threads through fabric fine. A newspaper reads the stories in line. Slurping noodles in a bowl so neat. A shiny necklace is quite a treat. A notebook to jot down all we feel. Using a nail again, we work with zeal. Using a nail again, we work with zeal.
That's all for today. If you learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more these type of videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.